YouTube. Hello people. Hello dear friends. All the fanatics of electric cables. I love this place. My garage, my workshop. Brilliant. Let's make it happen, guys. Let's make the shortest video on my channel. Very interesting, very short, but you will need it. So your phone has died, or your remote has died, or anything else has died and you want to charge it. Luckily both the old style battery and the new style battery do have a beautiful USB charging ports. So you take your phone or you take your remote and you plug it with the lead. Just like this. In. Or would you like me to make a 2-hour video on that? And here I am, plugging it. Da 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 da. And nothing is happening. And the reason for it is because you haven't done this. Click. Click. So let's pretend this cool LED light is actually the device you're trying to charge. If your battery indicator is on, power is on. Battery indicator is off, no power. Power, no power. So what I'm trying to say, guys, if you want to charge anything using the USB port connection on any Slick Revolution electrical skateboard, you can do it, but what you need to do is you need to turn the battery indicator on for the power to go on your phone or in anything you're trying to charge. Did we make it? Is that the shortest video? It is the shortest video ever made! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, please like, blah blah, don't care. But please ride safely.